Yeah. Hey, I thought I moved away from buffalo. It's following me. Well, as you can see, we have a long way to go to the road. We just measured. We got 24 inches, and we got 6 or 7 more hours of snow to go at least. Our cars are over there someplace.
Well, I'm following the walk anyways.
Yeah.
And if you think I was walking out to the car with a blower, you're crazy. I wouldn't
Our
even get
blower
here.
wouldn't do you much good because the snow's so heavy.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes. Look at the bird feeder there.
I know.
Look. Hey. I see the white pines. There's one across the road up there. You see it?
Oh, yeah. Well, we're blocked there. Huh. Take a picture of me shoveling a minute. Action photo. You just hold it and point it at me.